learn how to turn your bike into a motorcycle, keep watching this video and you can learn how. Okay, so I'll show you. So, first simply stand up. Okay, so come on.
What's up, mates?
Sure, see, it's a normal old bike, but there's a water bottle in it. Yeah. So first, you just get a normal, good water bottle.
Make sure it's empty though, because you don't want to get the full water bottle, because who would anyway, but whatever.
Yeah, just get an empty water bottle, punch it up like madness, and then there's like a little part behind your seat and connects to the wheel, like right behind your seat and the wheel right here. You shove it in, make sure it gets a little deep in so it actually hits the wheel. And so let me show you. See, it's stuffed in, and they're real good. There's the seat, there's the wheel right there. Okay,
And
so Bryson, say some words about this.
see, when you put it in there, you gotta make sure it's really crunched up though. When you ride it, it sounds like a motorcycle, which is really cool.
Freaking amazing.
Yes. So if you don't want to buy a motorcycle,
Just turn your bike into a motorcycle.
Yep.
So
this
this,
motorcycle is cool enough.
yeah. So let's get you some more of this action, motorcycle action. Bryson, man the camera. Aye, aye. See, we stuffed it in. We're showing you this works.
Sorry, it starts a little rigidy at first, but
If it sounds like that right now, you just have to push it in a little more.
yep. Because that doesn't sound like a motorcycle.
Yeah. And it's like that, Gabber. Now, just pull it out. If it starts sounding like that, pull the whole thing out.
And then sew it back in, 'cause that's a problem to, that's a solution problem to everything. Yeah.
And then
Can you hear that? Yeah. That's a motorcycle. Here it comes again. Motorcycle sounds. Yeah.
woo! Now, just stuff it in. I'm gonna go. Let's rev this baby up, guys. Logging Fanatica for the win!
Heck yeah.
And that's motorcycle do-it-yourself.
Yay.
See you later, alligators. Bye.
That was a thrill.